What is up, YouTube? I'm Debo with the vlog. And today, it's not an ordinary vlog. We're in an Airbnb in Florida. Anybody can do videos in Florida, but not a typical vacation Airbnb. So stay tuned. This video will be a lot of exciting, extravagant things going on throughout this 7-day vacation. I'm doing a little house tour, so let's get into it. Welcome back to my channel. This is Devo with the vlogs. Make sure you like and subscribe. Okay, we have my Aunt Angela in the kitchen. She's doing some pork chops and everything. Even though we had my aunt and Catherine, she treated us to, I'm just gonna say it when I talk. And you wanna say something on the camera? Hello. Hello. This is part of the Airbnb. It's very big. Like when you walk in, it's like you in a mansion, like you own a business, you own something, basically. Yep. Game room out here. They got this mural wall out here. The Avengers. Lord, hey, they did a good job. We got all these games out here. A pinball game. I was shook up when I saw a pinball game. You got a logo, but it come out and everything. It's a digital one. It's not an old-fashioned one. Digital. You got Marvel superheroes. I'm gonna try to turn these on for you guys to see exactly what they look like. Yeah, we're out here in Kissimmee, no, Davenport, Florida. Davenport. And this neighborhood is like a gated neighborhood. Comes with the resort. That one every night. We got this over here, Marvel X-Men. I don't think it works. Oh, it worked. Hold on. Wait a minute. We got a foosball table over here. Oh, that light up too? Okay. Whole couch set out here. This is just the outside, downstairs area. Keep in mind, this is just this is a 7-day vacation trip. And we're in Davenport, Florida. It comes with a resort. So if you're booking for Airbnbs in Florida, make sure you come with a resort to get your money's worth. So you can be at your house and be like, oh, what can I do? And I have to get in my car. Walk to the resort. Just that simple. You walk to the resort. Oh, what year this is? This is 2024, June. We're in June 2024. This house is very big. And I'm going to do like an upstairs tour. But when you plan Airbnbs like this, they're very pricey. So I would suggest you book it with your family and do like a family trip. And don't bring that many vehicles because these driveways be too small. They look big on the picture, but they might be too small. But yeah, I'm going upstairs. So as you make your way up the steps, oh, I don't think I showed the kitchen, but we'll be back. We have a strawberry shortcake ball right there. I don't know why, but hey. You hear that? That's my cousin Kalila. This is a bathroom. It's a double bathroom, but this is my room, you guys. This is my room. We got the lights off, but don't mind the mess. Big old king size bed, TV, closet over here. You know, the necessities. We got some hangers up in here. I haven't utilized, but I use these drawers though. Dr. We've been doing drawers. My venti fan, if you ain't got one, I suggest you get one. They had a sale around Christmas time. That's when I got mine, but I carry it with me everywhere I go because it comes with a remote. And it has like an oscillating, meaning it turns and fans like an actual fan. But this is the bathroom. I'm sharing it with my cousin Alexis. This is what the bathroom looks like. It's huge. Like the video is not making sense. Let me just make it. I'm gonna switch to the wide angle so you can see exactly how huge this bathroom is. Okay, I switched to the wide angle lens, but now this is what it looks like. As you're walking from my room, this is the door to the outside. I'm opening it up to the hallway. I keep it locked because nobody be going here unless it's the two people that live in these 2 bedrooms. Got this hall closet with linen in it. It came from towels. I don't know why there's a towel on the floor, but hey. Ooh. Double sink. This is my side. This is my cousin Alexa's side. That's her door. This is the bathroom. Comes with a little sliding door. 2 switches. Big, gigantic walk-through shower. I think this is the biggest shower yet we had since Airbnb. Big, gigantic. I mean, huge. The pictures don't do it justice. There's a little sliding door in here. You just slide it and close it. So Say I'm using the bathroom and then my cousin Alexa needs to use the bathroom. She can use the bathroom while I'm in here because the door locks. And she want to do like wash her hands or do her makeup. So that's a, what's the word? A plus. I can't figure out the next word for it. I just use plus. But yeah, this is the bathroom. This is an 8-bedroom house. It feels like it's more rooms. It would be more rooms if some of these rooms were not like activity rooms, but we're gonna see. So I'm back at the steps, and you saw my room. This leads to the bathroom, like I said. Let me shut my door. I don't want to show everybody the room because it's like personal business, but this is my brother's room. It's just similar, same thing, different room. This is my other brother's room. His come with a bathroom. His is slightly bigger. It's a Jack and Jill bathroom too, but it's closed out because nobody's in the other. Nobody's in the other room. But this is his bathroom. Linen closet. He got double sinks too. Like I said, it's connected to another room, which is a frozen room. Which whoever did the murals on that, very good job. The paintings, very good job. But this is a living room up here. These are the steps. I mean, wow. Got a pool tape up here too. You saw the one downstairs, but up here too. This is the frozen room. They did a good job with this. Look at the detail. Attention to the detail. They had the stars, the snowflakes on the wall, the mountains. Look at that. Else over here, the cold bothering her or something. But look at the detail. You see it, but if you look closer, the glitter. Like they took their time with this. There was no rush in the castle. The infamous castle where she slammed the door and said the cold never bothered me. Anyway. On over here, she could use a little bit of work because her face look a little distorted, but hey, the ready to get frozen. I mean, Elsa right though. The TV, even the decor, like the bedroom set matches the theme of the room. The beds and stuff. You got a closet. I didn't go in this closet. Hangers up in here too. But let me show you one of the best parts about this house. Hold on, let me show you before I show you that Harry Potter room. Same thing as the frozen room. Let me show you the best part. The best part about this right here. Let's see. This movie theater room. Look at this. Look at this. Projection, surround sound. We back here. I'm just gonna show you. I can show you better than I can tell you. We back here. I was sitting right here last night. Like this. And I was like, they reclined on it. And what did? Ooh. Who you know got a movie theater in their house in the Airbnb? Who? Comment down below. Comment down below. We got posters on wall. We got actually in the movie theaters. Posters. Every one of these seats reclining. So we're gonna be back here eating popcorn. Everybody out there on seat. Kids got the seats in the front. Davenport, Florida, you guys. Davenport, Florida. And then this is more cool right here. With the lights off at nighttime. Look at that. That is so cool. Like we in the actual movie theater. Who you know? Who? But yeah. That's another bathroom right here. Like I said, we don't go short around here with bathrooms. Another bathroom. This one comes with a tub. Toilet. You know, the basics. This is another room, but I don't want to go in there. It's my cousin's room. Same setup as mine. That was coming off my bedroom. Not in my bathroom. That's the one I share my bathroom with. As we come down the steps, we're gonna go downstairs and view the city. View the house downstairs. Okay, my mom has finally woke up on the bed. Here it is, 7:25. We went out all day. This is the kitchen. Let me step back so y'all can see how big it is. Huge, huge. Living room over here. Dining room table. We sat here, ate this morning, ate breakfast and talk. Just something nice. Pool out here in the back, but let me show you something about these seats. These ain't your ordinary seats that you sit down on and just lay out on. They ain't. Let me see.
I think
Who is that, please? Oh, that's me. They electronic.
I think to wait to get some like hay or some salt to
Look at that. I'm laying back with it. All this pool floaties, everybody kind of out of breath because we've been blowing the pool floaties. Alexa over there, lollygagging or whatever. Ooh. All I'm doing is hey. Bar stool area. Mom in the kitchen. She's finna cook some pork chops. What else? Hold on, I'm going go outside and cook the pool. Another pool. Come with lights. Seems like cut them on.
Yeah, the time and change.
See that light came on? Ceiling fan. A TV outside. You'll see that later, but hey.
What's it? It was time ago. What was the belt cover?
There's another bedroom that way too, but I want to show it because it's not mine. I want a bathroom as well, it's an ensuite. Here's another master bedroom. Okay, the light switch not on right now, but hey, you see. Oh, it's kind of dark. Like a big old bed. It's a king. You go in here, it's another master bathroom. Another. See that? I'm showing you. Double. This is my mom's room. She got a whole tub. Do you remember the house we had got built? How her bathroom was made. A shower with it. And guess what? Toilet step from the bathroom. Then look out here, look here, look here. She can step outside to go in the pool when she feel like, or sit out there on the patio set when she feel like. Just because she want to feel like going outside. That's what I'm talking about.
Eventually.
At the resort, huh? I know I can jump rope, but not hula hoop. That's one that I can't do.
Yeah, I was a hula hoop champion. I was a hula hoop since started over. And I was a hula hoop champion.
Pool? I mean, what's called a slide? 2 different pools? Weight room too?
A few moments later.
You got a theater?
Yesterday was doing Nightmare Before Christmas.
It was. I would have watched that. Oh, wait, what got room right there? Let's come right here. Maybe here the angle. Yeah. Come right here, work out. We at the resort. What is this? Here down. What is that? A weighing station? Oh. Jurassic Park, supercars, fun zone 2. You know, the bare minimum.
Later.
I had to improvise, make a shrimp fried noodles with bacon and onions, and it's superior. It is now 11:29. I think that's the time it is. Is it, Bree? We just got the food.
The next day.
Okay, so they're in the seafood boil. Alexis in the kitchen. Trayvon, Brianna. Alexis, I mean, somebody's gonna break Alexis' face, whatever that means, but hey. We got Brianna over here. She's making her sauces, her stews.
No, I've been the one that's making everything.
Did I not just say that, Miss Bria? Angie in the kitchen mixing drinks. She's our mixer for tonight. And what's on the menu?
Sangria.
Sangria. Mama knocked out on the couch. Josh knocked out on the couch. Khalida, get down. She's sitting there, eating the pop.
You got all that seafood.
Ah!
Eventually.
What's going on? What's going on? I put my phone. I picked my phone up just in time. That was Alexis.
Josh, she hired him.
No, she not.
Hours later.
What's here?
Huh?
What's here? I'm trying to get her. Oh, I see her. Does she have the ladder now? Mm.